Ingredients: 500 grams chicken, bone-in or boneless, cut into pieces, 2 tablespoons oil, vegetable, sunflower or coconut oil, 2 medium onions, finely chopped, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, minced, 1-inch piece of ginger, grated, 2 medium tomatoes, pured or finely chopped, 2 to 3 tablespoons plain yogurt, optional, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 to 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 green cardamom pods, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon ground cumin, salt to taste, fresh cilantro, chopped for garnish, 1 cup water or as needed. Optional, 1 to 2 green chilies, slit for extra heat. Instructions: 1. Preparation. Clean the chicken pieces and set aside. Blend the tomatoes into a puree if not using chopped ones. 2. Sauté aromatics. Heat oil in a large pan or pot over medium heat. Add cumin seeds, bay lemon stick and cardamom pods. Sauté until aromatic, about 30 seconds. Add chopped onions and cook until golden brown. Cook the base, add ginger and garlic and sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. Stir in the turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander powder. Mix well. 4. Add tomatoes and yogurt. Add the pureed chopped tomatoes and cook until the oil starts separating from the mixture, about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in the yogurt, if using, and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Cook chicken. Add the chicken pieces and mix well to coat them with the spices. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. 6. Simmer the curry. Add water to achieve your desired consistency. Cover and simmer on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and tender. Stir occasionally. 7. Finish. Add garam masala and ground cumin. Stir and cook for another 2 minutes. Adjust salt and spice levels needed. 8. Serve. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot with rice, naan or roti. Enjoy your homemade chicken curry.